Hello everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Top 10 with Alex. Today I'm pleased to let you know that we have a special guest chef. Please welcome Emma. Today, we are going to be making the fifth item on our list of top 10 easy and interesting meals, and I think you'll enjoy this one. It can be served as a side with any dish, or as a standalone meal on its own. Anyway, over to you, Emma.
Hello everybody. And thanks, Alex. Today I've got a great recipe for cauliflower fried rice that's super easy to make and packed full of flavor. As always, this meal is made with items you'll have readily available in your kitchen. You'll need a cheese grater, measuring cups and spoons, a skillet or a wok, and a large spoon and fork. That's all it takes. Here's what ingredients you'll need. 1 head of cauliflower. You'll need to grate it. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetables. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. To start, heat up a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add the sesame oil. Once the oil is heated up, add the diced onion and minced garlic and sauté them for a couple of minutes until they're fragrant and slightly translucent. Next, add the frozen mixed vegetables and continue to sauté for another 2 to 3 minutes until they're cooked through. Push the veggies to the side of the pan and add the beaten eggs to the empty space. Scramble the eggs until they're fully cooked, and then mix them in with the veggies. Now it's time to add the grated cauliflower to the skillet and stir everything together. Once it's all combined, add the soy sauce, salt, and pepper to taste, and stir again. Cook everything for another 2 to 3 minutes until the cauliflower is tender, and then you're ready to serve. This dish is a great low-carb alternative to traditional fried rice, and it's packed full of healthy veggies and protein from the eggs. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do.
Thank you, Emma, that looks delicious. A full list of ingredients and instructions is in the description below. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.